Ready to take your WordPress website live? Let's move your site from local by Flywheel to a live server, step by step. I promise to make this process easy and stress-free. First, log into your local WordPress site and install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Once activated, go to the plugin menu and click Export. Select File as the export option and download the backup to your local computer. Now head to your live WordPress site and install the same all-in-one WP migration plugin. Activate it, go to Import, and select the file you just exported from your local setup. Sounds simple, right? But wait. An error pops up. Maximum upload size for this site is 10 megabytes. Don't worry, I've got you covered. To fix this, uninstall the current version of the plugin from your live site. Then, download version 6.77 of all-in-one WP migration from an external source, as it's not available in the WordPress repository. Upload, install, and activate this version on your live site. Next, let's increase the maximum upload size. Go to Tools, Plugin File Editor, and open the file named constants.php. Look for the line that says Max File Size. Update the value to 512 megabytes or whatever size you need. Don't forget to convert megabytes to bytes using an online converter. Once done, hit Save. Let's try uploading the file again. And success! Your site is now live. Congratulations on moving your WordPress website from local to a live server. After uploading, save your permalink structure under Settings, Permalinks, to ensure all links work correctly. Also, check your theme, widgets, and plugins to make sure everything is functioning as expected. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to CeeVee Global for more WordPress tutorials. Good luck with your live site.